Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with more work from home job leads. I've read the comments and I've heard the pleas for positions that are hiring worldwide. So that is what I have for you today. I have 8 jobs that are hiring worldwide. Now, one thing to note, the first 5 jobs that I have to share with you are hiring worldwide anywhere in the world. And the last 3 are specialized. One, I think, is for Asia and somewhere else. One is for the United Kingdom and one is for the Philippines specifically. I have something for everyone. We have everything from management to live chat, customer service, everything in between, high-paying jobs that pay up to $190 an hour. We have jobs that provide equipment for you. So I will not waste any time. We will just dive on in. Just a few reminders. I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. So please always do your research before you give any of your personal information to any of these companies. I try my best to weed out the scams. However, just know that you need to do your own research. And if you find any of these job leads helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. That gives me direct feedback that these were helpful, and share with all your friends and family so we can live our happiest, healthiest lives, all working from home. But without further ado, the first position is from the company ConvertFlow. Now, ConvertFlow is headquartered out of Miami, Florida in the United States. However, they are hiring anywhere in the world, and they are hiring a remote customer success manager. They're specifically looking for someone to help brands achieve their marketing and revenue goals through the use of ConvertFlow's all-in-one funnel builder. So as a customer success manager, you'll develop expert level knowledge in their products, services, and their e-commerce marketing. You'll successfully help onboard new customers to their platform. You'll become a trusted conversion coach for growing brands. You'll review customers' performance and proactively think outside the box to generate new campaign ideas, suggestions for optimization, and templates brands can use to launch their campaigns faster. And you'll be bringing thinking and strategies and ideas to the company's customer success. Now, they do outline in the job description, and all of these jobs that I discuss are linked in the description box below, but what they expect from you in your first month versus 3 months versus 6 months. Now, they are looking for someone who has 2 years of customer-facing experience in an implementation, client service, or customer success role. They want someone who has previously demonstrated success working in a fast-paced and demanding environment, someone who is detail-oriented, who has great communication skills, who is tech-savvy, and who can proactively and energetically have an attitude with the desire to be a key player and results-oriented and driven. Now, unfortunately, they do not list pay for this position. That will be dependent on location and experience, but it does say you can work anywhere as long as you are able to work Eastern Time business hours to attend customer-facing video calls. You'll have team meetings. But with that, you will have a benefit plan that includes health, dental, vision, flexible vacation policy. It says flexible work schedule. And it includes remote work gear. So it says the perks of the home office. You get a company laptop. So they provide equipment for you. And they also provide you a monthly work from home stipend to cover any office supplies or internet service or anything like that that you need. Next up, the company A-Team is hiring a remote senior independent software developer. Now, this one is going to require you to be a little bit more educated and specialized, but if you have these skills, they are paying anywhere from $110 an hour up to $190 an hour. They're hiring anywhere in the world. So the A-Team is specifically looking for software developers who have left large companies and high-growth startups to pursue the craft of autonomy. They are looking for someone who wants to be a part of A-Team and be impactful with their mission and help the company take things from early stage incubations to world-class founders, fast-growing startup funding companies. You'll be building ambitious pieces of software from 0 to 1 as part of a small 3 to 4 person team. So most of the time you will be working independently, but you'll have to consult and also be a team player. Okay, if you are tech savvy but not a software developer, that's okay. The Time Doctor is hiring a remote technical support specialist to work anywhere in the world. They are specifically looking for someone to respond to and manage customer interactions through chat, email, and Zoom calls in a professional and timely manner, maintaining courtesy throughout the conversation. You'll provide technical assistance to customers' concerns by performing essential troubleshooting through investigation until you find a resolution that works for them. You'll be working closely with the sales and the CSMs to ensure that the customer experience is prioritized from start to finish. You'll respond to the customer's basic billing inquiries and assist in processing their billing related tasks such as refunds, account activation, extensions of free trials, and the like. And you'll also have to attend any customer scheduled meetings. Now, they are specifically looking for someone who has experience in customer service for at least a year, and they want someone who has previously provided technical support. If you know how to use service desk CRM tools such as Zendesk, HubSpot, or Freshdesk, someone who has a basic knowledge and understanding of multiple technological domains such as networking, programming, system administration, and someone who can work with minimum supervision in a remote work setting. They also need you to have attention to detail, be a great team player, a logical thinker, and a problem solver. And again, with this one, pay would have to be discussed at the time of the interview because it's always dependent on location and experience and therefore will vary person to person. Next up, if customer service is not your thing, that's okay. We have an administrative assistant and bookkeeper for the company Aldantic. And this one, it does list the pay. It pays anywhere from $50,000 to $60,000 a year. They are hiring anywhere in the world. They are looking for someone on their bookkeeping side to handle the AP and AR, track accounts receivable aging, enter reconciliations, review and verify all transactions in the bank and credit card and financial accounts for accuracy, manage payroll and employee benefits, and track company expenses and receipts. Above and beyond that, you'll have to be able to multitask in a fast-paced environment because you will have some administrative duties. They want someone who can also enter and update client information in their CRM system and assist the executive team with administrative tasks as needed outside of the bookkeeping and payroll. Since this does have to do with finances, they are looking for someone who has a minimum of 3 years of bookkeeping or administrative experience and a degree in some kind of financial field, accounting or whatnot. So you do need to know the accounting software QuickBooks and as well as Microsoft Office. You need to have a proven track record to keep sensitive information confidential, and you need to have a positive and energetic attitude. Now, on top of the pay, they have 100% company paid for dental, vision, and health insurance. It says they offer paid time off and retirement benefits such as 401k with company matching. And again, if you have customer service experience and you want to be in management, because management always pays better than being a regular worker, the company Solo.io is hiring a customer success manager. This is remote anywhere in the world, but they are looking for someone to build strong customer relationships with their stakeholders and sponsors to ensure Solo's activities align with the customer's desired business outcomes. You'll develop successful plans aligned with customer business needs. You'll accelerate adoption and minimize customer churn. You'll coordinate and orchestrate activities that solve complex situations working together with the engineering team, and you'll manage multiple issues with minimal discretion and coordinate the resources needed to resolve the customer's challenges efficiently. So they are looking for someone who has 4 years or more of customer service or account management experience, someone who has the ability to lead on-site and virtual business meetings, someone who has the ability to manage critical customer situations, and someone who is a self-starter. All right, this is where we get into the last 3 jobs that do have a specific locations. This first one does get a little confusing because it says right here it hires anywhere in the world, but then it says Canada and Asia, so you will just have to contact them if you're interested and ask. But we have the company Trifecta Retail Ventures hiring a remote customer happiness advocate. And so this is a customer service job, so they're looking for someone to work a daily schedule that includes a mix of phones and chats and emails. You'll be having different things going at the same time, so you definitely need to be a multitasker. You'll engage with conversations with customers to identify and resolve their issues. You want to be able to help them succeed and have fun in auctions. You ensure the customers receive the best customer service possible by completing follow-up documentation after each customer ticket. You'll offer needs-based solutions, not pushy sales tactics, and this is not a regular 9-to-5 job. They operate a 24/7 customer support, so they are seeking night owls and people who want to work weekends. Now, they do want someone who is comfortable multitasking and working with a computer. If you have previous Zendesk or ticketing experience, that is a plus, but not required. They do require, it says, a citizen to or be in possession of a work permit for Canada, Finland, UK, or Spain. If you don't meet those requirements, you will not be considered. Even though it says anywhere in the world, it is dependent on location. They do want someone who can type 50 words per minute, and again, the ability to multitask. Now, this does pay 2,200 euros per month, and they offer all kinds of benefits. It says they provide upgrades you need to your home office setup. They also offer company gifts to celebrate success. This next one is for my United Kingdom people only. The chat shop is hiring a live chat agent. Now, I'm going to go through this one really quickly because the pay looks very low to me, so I'm not sure that this is even a good recommendation. However, I also don't know conversion rates between UK money, US dollars, and what cost of living is, so I just thought that I would share it and leave that up to y'all. But basically what the chat shop is they hire people to work chat customer service, and then they contract to do customer service with a bunch of different companies. So it just basically is what it is, customer service. They are looking for someone who is fluent in English speaking, who can type 65 words per minute, who has previous customer service experience, who can be reliable and professional and calm under pressure. Now, this does pay, I think the United Kingdom is pounds, $9.56 per hour. Someone tell me in the comments if you're from the United Kingdom if that is a bad pay rate. That looks bad to me, but again, I don't know the conversion rates. They do have 24/7 customer service, so they're looking for someone who can be flexible in the hours that you work. And last but not least, we have one for my people in the Philippines specifically. Songbird Therapy is hiring a Credentialing Associate for all of those who are looking to get into the healthcare field. I didn't think I would ever be able to find it, but for those of you in the Philippines, I found a remote healthcare job. So they are specifically looking for someone to help with the enrollment of the National Provider Registry and the Universal Provider Data Source. You will complete validation of company data requests, examine the company billing information to make sure it complies with the payer standards. You'll reach out to providers and help them through the credentialing process with health insurance payers, and follow up on missing documents, ensuring the credentialing process is completed. And then you'll follow up with the insurance payers on the status of the credentialing applications. They are looking for someone who has behavioral health experience is preferred, but not required. Again, certified provider and credentialing specialist preferred, though not required, is their exact words. So they really, 1 year health insurance credentialing experience preferred, but again, not required. The only things that are really required is that you have knowledge in Google G Suite, outstanding customer service abilities, the capability of working to establish clear goals. They want someone who is motivated and will do the work. Now, unfortunately, pay is not listed for this one either. You will have to ask that at the time of the interview, but it does say they include a benefit package, including time off. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please don't forget to like and share this video, as that really helps me out, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.